Hello guys, welcome to another video from our channel, Grobs Review Unbox. Today I'm gonna do a quick review here, okay, from this silicone teether that we bought from our baby girl, okay. So the brand is COMOTOMO, okay. So we choose this brand because we did a lot of research on the internet, okay, and we saw that this silicone teether is really good and very well constructed, okay. So I'm not open this yet because my baby will be born on November, so I would like to keep it clean, okay. So I will waiting for her to be born, and then after this we can do the full review and all the consideration for this product, okay. So it's a very quick video, so please hit the like button if you liked this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share with all your friends. Thank you.